So this is the tree. I showed you in my other Walmart video, but it's so pretty. I'll put the name down below because the sticker's hiding it, but it is 7 feet. Yeah, 7 feet. T24. Walmart goes by these numbers for their trees, and it has like little frosted edges, which is so pretty. It's like the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too skinny, so I love it. It's perfect if you have a smaller place or apartment. Yeah, like I said, it's upside down, but you guys can see here what it looks like. Obviously I still have to put like the lights on and stuff, but I think it looks so nice in that corner, and it's literally just the perfect size and the perfect height. Peekaboo! Yes! What are you doing, bud? Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Really? We're doing this? I thought we were past this stage. Oh my gosh. Oh, I yawn. Oliver! Oh my gosh. He took the ornament off. Oh. You haven't done this since I've had the tree up. What did you do? What did you do? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Oh, my bow? Naughty. Naughty! You look beautiful though by the tree. How cute you look. Look how cute you look. Yes. So I forgot to show you guys the end result of the tree. I was putting everything on and then I realized, oh my gosh, I didn't actually show you what the tree looked like after I decorated it. So here it is. Don't mind this stuff in the corner. I have to put that somewhere. But my tree skirt always looks like a hot mess because the cats go underneath and I don't know, they mess it up.
If you're recording that.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Look at those little vampire teeth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you cozy? Oh. This is the best pose. This is the best. Oh my goodness. Why are you so adorable? Cutest baby ever. So the only new thing I put on were the buffalo check bows from Walmart. Everything else was stuff I had from previous years. And I guess my theme is burlap red and gold. I think that's what I'm going for. These are vintage ornaments that I got at the flea market. I got a whole pack for $1. I didn't use them all because I didn't want it to be too overwhelming. I really only put a few. Whoa, my voice just went crazy. This is an ornament my sister made me last year for Christmas. This is a Christmas tag, but this is actually my mom's handwriting. So you can see it's like vinyl that she put on here. It's so cute. That's why I put it in the front so you could see it. It's just so beautiful and I love it. I love looking at it and the little bow. It's just so perfect. And my star. And then of course these wreaths. I don't know if I showed these to you guys, but these are the best wreaths in the world and they are $10. It's like crazy. I need to actually go get another one maybe for the front door, but these will sell out for sure because the quality of these and just how big the wreath is, it looks like it's like a $50 wreath, but the fact that it's $10 is crazy. And that's from Walmart. Up to no good, but you look beautiful. So yeah, this is the tree and I love it. Like it's just so perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. I was kind of going back and forth. Should I get the frosted tree like that? But I was like, you know what? I just want something traditional. But this is a good combo slash mix because the branches of this one are actually frosted tips. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's just a really nice little touch. It makes it look really realistic. And it's good. It's kind of like you have a frosted tree, but not like full on. Like it's not going to make a huge mess like the frosted trees do, even though I think they're so beautiful. So it's skinny. I think it's 6'5". It's the perfect height. I didn't want anything taller than this. And it just fits so nicely into this corner. Oliver. It fits so nice into this corner. I just need to try and find my tree skirts that I got last year on clearance from Kirkland's. I just don't know where it is. And then some fun ornaments, like we have Gizmo's first ornament. We have Oliver's first ornament, even though he's knocking down all the ornaments right now. And then I love these ones. I need to, every year I like to get a couple new ones that like go with the theme of my tree. And I did get rid of some ornaments that I just wasn't into anymore because I feel like your style kind of changes. And well, I mean, a lot of these I've had for a few years, but some I was like, they don't go with my tree anymore. So I love it. I love looking at it. Oh, this one's fun. This is like a giant This is a really big tree. I think I got this from Kirkland's. You can see this is, what happened here? It's like the tree got eaten, but it still is cute. So I don't really have too much over here. But yeah. Oh, and then this, oh no, the mouse fell off. This is the best thing in the world. I will link this for you guys. This is a mouse and you can blow on his little candle. They don't make him anymore, but they do have Santa. And you blow on him and he turns the tree on and off. So like, I'll show you guys. So you like that and then it's back on. Isn't that amazing? So my whole family has this for their tree because it's the best invention ever. And if you don't have this, you absolutely need it. I have to put him back up. I kind of keep him in the back because I mean he's cute, but like I kind of want him a little bit hidden. And then this my sister DIY'd 2 years ago. She basically took some of my ornaments and made them look way cuter. So she put twine on it. And then like this one, she did a DIY. She put glitter and then she actually painted this white fun ornaments that I wanted to show you guys. So that is my tree. And I love it. I really love this tree so much. It's such nice quality. Highly recommend. I will put this one down below in case you guys want to check it out. It has 5-star reviews and it's awesome. So that is it. I hope you guys liked my little tree vlog and setting up the tree and putting on all the ornaments. So pretty. I just love putting it on at night and then just literally just staring at it. It's my favorite thing to do this month.